So guys, recently Realme has released this smartphone. This is the Realme X2 with Snapdragon 730G processor at the price tag of rupees 17,000. At this price range, this is one of the best smartphones that you have right now in the market. So today I am going to convince you to buy this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and these are some positive points about this Realme X2. So let's begin. So first of all guys, a quick disclaimer over here. I have already made a video where I have told you the negative points or the cons of this smartphone. If you wanna see that video, I will leave the card over there. Please watch both the videos before you make the purchase decision. With that said, let's begin. The first point to buy this smartphone is the value proposition that this smartphone offers. It offers amazing specification and amazing features. So the value proposition of this smartphone is just incredible. And the second feature is the performance. You know, this smartphone comes with Snapdragon 730G processor and the overall performance of this smartphone is just insane. Whether it is gaming, day-to-day activities, amazing performance, no doubt here. The gaming is not up to the mark yet, but in future we will get the update that will fix the gaming issues in this phone. With that said, let's move to the next point. So on the front, it has this AMOLED display, which is just incredible. Like, believe me guys, the display of this phone is just amazing. It's a Super AMOLED display. So overall, the display's contrast ratio is just amazing. The colors, saturation, viewing angles, mind-blowing display. The display is just amazing over here. It should have 90 Hz, but yeah guys, this smartphone costs just 17,000 rupees, and at this price range, I was not expecting 90 Hz panel. 60 Hz is fine for me at this price range, but still the display quality is just amazing to look at, to view content, to view games, you know, and to enjoy the multimedia experience. The display is just amazing over here. So the next point is the cameras. This smartphone has quad cameras on the rear. The primary sensor is 64 megapixel. Then we have wide angle lens, macro lens, and a depth sensor too. And on the front, it has 32 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of f2.0. And overall, when it comes to picture quality and video quality, just amazing. You know, I have already did the camera review of this phone. If you want to see that, I will leave the card. You can go and check that out. So overall, camera quality of this phone is just amazing. After that, the next reason to buy this smartphone is the charger that they have provided inside the box. It's a VOOC 4.0 charger which has an output rating of 30 watt. This smartphone comes for 17,000 rupees and it has a 30 watt charger inside the box. Apple, are you saying this? Like seriously, 5 watt charger inside the 65,000 rupees smartphone and 30 watt charger inside the 17,000 rupees smartphone. What a era we are living in. So yeah, these are all the reasons why you should consider to buy this Realme X2. I hope you guys get some idea about this smartphone in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful, then hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or who wanted to buy any smartphone in this price category. It will be very, very helpful for them. So yeah, and guys, by the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.